Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. This is 𝐻𝐫𝐚𝐲 Monday. So finally my YouTube channel was verified. My ID was verified. You know, I made a video about my ID not getting verified for reason best known to AdSense. They were telling me that my ID was blurred even after trying my best to upload a very good quality ID. Okay, so I had to go to a photo studio, snap a better copy, and then send to them. This time around, I did not send it through any intermediary. I had to upload it directly from my mobile phone, and I guess the intermediary I was sending it from was affecting the quality that they were getting on the other end. So eventually, I got a message that it was verified, which is great. So what I'm waiting for now is the pin. So thank you guys for always sticking around. Those of you that stick around for the why I stopped uploading. All right, I really appreciate you guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you simple tutorial on how to withdraw your earnings from 𝐻𝐻𝐾 bot. Those of you that are trading with the crypto trading bot 𝐻𝐻𝐾 that's attached to your Binance account through an AI. All right, this is how to withdraw your earnings, and it's instant. Like, let's say your referral, if you refer someone and then you got it $30 for that referral, this is how to withdraw it directly to your Binance account. All right, it's just a simple process. So I'm going to show you that process, and then as well, all right, this video is just about that process. Then as well, if you still want to withdraw it down to your bank account, in your local bank account, for those in Nigeria, your bank account in Nigeria, or those in the United States, just your local bank account there. So you just watch the video to the end, because after I show you how to withdraw your earnings to your Binance account, it will just be a continuation on how to withdraw to your bank account. All right, so watch this video to the end and see you. Withdrawing your earnings from your 𝐻𝐻𝐾 app is just as simple as ABC. It's just like every other regular withdrawal process. So all you just need to do is go to your 𝐻𝐻𝐾 app, and especially when you just got a new referral and you like to withdraw the referral bonus. So it's a simple process, actually a very simple process. Now you can see here. All right, you can check your referral bonus right there. All right, so you can see I've gotten like 2, and then I've drawn like the first one. All right, so you click on mine, and then when you click on mine, you click on asset. Now you can see $40 right there. Then click on withdraw. Now the next thing that I have to do is I have to go to my Binance and copy my USDT address. All right, so all right, I'm not using this particular account, so I have to log out for some reason. So log into my main account. So I'm trying to make this video as snappy as possible. So you click on wallet. If you're looking for wallet is at the lower left hand side of the app. So I always advise anybody to always log in with the mobile app. It's easier. All right, it's easier when you log in with the browser. It gives you a kind of complicated method or something. So click on wallet. Now when you click on wallet, click on deposit. Now when you click on deposit, click on USDT. All right, now this is where you have to be careful. Now if you see here, you will see at the top, you will see Ethereum, you see Binance Smart Chain. All right, you're not using any of those networks. Scroll by, and then you also see Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and then you see Tron TRC20. All right, is the Tron address that we're going to be using. That's TRC20 because that's what the 𝐻𝐻𝐾 app is actually built on, the address, official address it uses on USDT. So now
copy the Tron just the way I've copied mine right here, and then go back to your RoyalQ app and then paste it in there where they say address, paste it in the address section just the way I've done mine. All right, so right now I want to withdraw just 30, all right, 30 USDT. All right, oh, I have to click that again, paste that again, paste that, and then click 30 USDT. Okay, that is done. So now if I withdraw 30 USDT, I'll be left with about 10. All right, that's cool. So if I withdraw 30 USDT, I'll be getting the transaction fee is about 2 USDT, and then I'll be receiving about 28 USDT. So after I click confirm, I check this box right here and then confirm. All right, I've already set a password for my account, so a verification code will be sent to my email, which I'm going to copy and paste right in there. So I have to go to my email right now, copy the verification code, paste it right in there. All right, that's for Binance. All right, referral. All right, so copy the verification code. All right, then come to your referral, paste it in there. Okay, paste it in there. All right, then I'll enter my password, and in that situation I'm going to kind of pause this video. So now that I've entered my password and I've pasted the code, I can click confirm right now, and I've successfully withdrawn 30 USDT, my referral from my RoyalQ to my Binance. So let's confirm that. All right, you can see the balance has changed here. All right, so if I click on Team Reward here, you see that okay, this is actually what I've entered there. All right, so now if I go back to my Binance right now, all right, so you will see it always takes just one confirmation for that to come in. All right, so that's click on spot. When you click on spot, if you click on this button right here, it will tell you you can see incoming transaction. All right, it's already in. All right, it's already in, completed. Oh, this was for another date, not this particular one. So your transfer referral have sent a message, your transfer succeeded. All right, so in less than 2 minutes, Binance will give me a notification that the transfer has been received, and it will reflect here. You can see what's showing here is about 337.72 US worth of token combined. So, and that's about 188.94 USDT. Okay, so Binance just gave a notification that USDT has been 8 USDT has been successfully deposited. So now refresh. Now you can see it's now 365 USDT. All right. So now the continuation of this is withdrawing directly to your bank account in your local bank account. So for me in Nigeria, I'm withdrawing directly to my bank account in Nigeria. So how do I do this? Now, I just want to withdraw the 28th just for this tutorial purposes. All right. So if by now you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please just hit that subscription button and then comment in the comment section that okay, if you're understanding this video, just comment something nice and then like this video. Like the liking is so important. It's so important so that it will help boost the community that we all are in. All right. So now when you want to withdraw to your bank account in Nigeria, use the P2P option. Like those of us in Nigeria that we are not allowed to make any crypto transaction. So to withdraw to bank account, you just have to do something here. You can see here we have P2P wallet, we have margin within Binance, we have margin wallet, future wallet, we have margin wallet, and then we have spot wallet. So all these are all independent and different wallets all together. So what do you do in this kind of situation when you have that? Now this funds is in spot wallet, so now you click on transfer to transfer from spot wallet to P2P wallet. So now I click on P2P, click on USDT, the fund I want to withdraw. Now I'm not entering. If you enter max, that's when you want to withdraw all your funds on that USDT. So now I'm just going to enter the amount here, 28. So once I click transferred, it is transferred. Then automatically it will prompt me to click to continue trading on P2P. So if I click, it will take me to P2P trading. So for the sake of this tutorial, in case you mistakenly cancel, I'll show you how to go back to that trading platform. You can see my balance here has returned to the initial balance that was there. All right. The one that just got added is now in P2P wallet within the same Binance account. So now to go back to have that withdrawn, you click on this P2P that you're seeing up there. Click on P2P, and then what you want to do here is you want to sell. So you click on sell. The P2P sell. Now when you click on sell, all right, so now you can see there are different people with different ads with different amounts and different rates. All right, so here if you check below, you see 1,000 to 1,500. That's how much this person can sell. That's the minimum and maximum you can sell. This one 5 million to 25 million. That's the minimum and maximum this person can sell. So most times you might spend time scrolling through these ads. So now looking at the rate and looking at the amount I have for to withdraw is $28. $28 should be within the range of 15,000. So or 15 to 17,000 or 15 to 18,000. So I have to click on this, enter the range of the amount I want to withdraw. All right, let me just enter something close to 15,000. Then click on bank and then click on yes. So now it will bring up ads within that range. So you can see 10,000 to 135,000. So I'm going to click on the first one, which makes it easier. And then I'm going to just enter max because I want to sell all the 28, and then enter account, click on my account. And then this is what I'll be getting. I'll be getting 60,144.618 naira. And then click sell. So once I hit sell, all right, this person now I'm awaiting transfer from this person. So most times what I normally do is there's always a message in this message box here. So I normally go there to alert them and send them awaiting payment. All right, so it gives them an alert and then they go ahead to pay. Once they go ahead to pay, let's give this person a few seconds. Once this person pays this money, we'll confirm as soon as possible. All right, so in most cases, if they kind of waste time and let's say 5 minutes is passed and you've not received payment, you've not received any response, most times you have to keep your eye on this box. So in case they want to ask any questions before they make the payment, that the vendor that is making the payment, you get to know the particular question or whatever. So in this particular case right now, if 5 minutes is passed and this person has not responded or has not paid, now if you click the chat button again, you will see phone number here, because most times they might be a bit offline. You see phone number here, you can use that phone number there. If you click there, you will see their phone number. All right, okay, this person has just clicked that he has paid. All right, so if this person does not reply, click that phone number. You can call them and say, okay, I've made an order on your Binance. All right, please confirm. All right, so you can see he just sent me a message now, paid, check and release. All right, so when it shows paid and check and it's telling you check and release, now you will see here that here will automatically change to appeal and to confirm receipt. Do not confirm receipt till you have sent the money in your account, till you have verified the payment. So now most cases what I have to do here is I have to go to my bank app. All right, and then confirm the amount to see if I actually received the money. So in most cases, I use a totally separate account to have this done. All right, so this account has actually no funds in it. So I click on transaction, see that the money has not yet reflected. All right, most times it could be network situation or whatever. So you can see here, this account is just for this transaction. There's nothing in here. So now I have to wait and refresh again. So till I see the funds before, till you see the funds before you can release, because most times these people can try to act scammy. You get the point now. Sometimes some person can scam you actually on this platform. So you have to be smart and be careful what you do. Okay. So let me go back and check on my bank app if I've actually received it. So guys, I have to literally wait extra 2 minutes for this to reflect. So I have to log back into my account right here and then watch it, see if it's as reflected. All right, so you can see the money has actually been deposited. Okay, it's reflected. So in most cases, what I try to do is, in most cases, I can decide to prevent any fallback. Sometimes transfer some part of the money or something. It's just my way, just to be conscious of what I'm doing. All right, so I don't know about yours. So, all right, that's cool. So I can go ahead here to click on confirm I've received. Click on that checkbox that says I confirm that payment is successfully received, the correct amount, senders information. All right, and then click confirm, and then a code will be sent to my phone. That's the phone number attached to your Binance account. In your own case, now all you just have to do is to copy it and then come here, paste it here, paste it, and then submit. Once you submit this, it's gone. The phone has been received. So what I normally do is, first of all, if the person responded faster and well enough for me, I give this person a positive thumbs up and then click done. And that's all. That's simple how to withdraw from your 𝐻𝐫𝐚𝐤𝐞 down to your bank account in Nigeria or in your local bank account, in your country. So thank you for watching my video. If by now you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video. It's very important. Like this video, comment. So when you comment frequently, I get to know people that are actually within my community. I get to know a lot of you guys. I get to understand how you guys feel. I get to understand the kind of videos that you guys want. So always comment. All right, let me say comment. And then a time is coming whereby I'll have to do some good and great massive giveaway to you guys. So